Slow cooker time, and we are making an extremely scrumptious Spanish chicken dish. We're cooking the chicken in a rich and thick sauce with the bold flavors of paprika, garlic, rosemary, and red wine. We're going to throw in some prunes for a touch of sweetness and a few black olives for a savory undertone. And yes, you can leave them out if you don't like olives. This recipe is simple, easy to prep, fantastic for midweek, and this is exactly how you cook it. So the first thing we're going to do is to chop up an onion, and then we are going to gently fry that in a little bit of oil on a medium to high heat until it softens. And then you're going to add 15 grams of garlic. I always use a puree just because it comes from a jar and saves with any meal prep. And you're going to fry that off for a further 30 seconds before adding a large glass of red wine. And you're going to let that simmer and reduce by about a half, and that helps burn off a lot of the alcohol. Then all you want to do is pour all of that, or pour, or tip, or scrape, or whatever. I don't know the right word. Well, I do know the right word. I'm just babbling on now. And then put that into the slow cooker along with your chicken, your paprika, not the smoked kind, just normal sweet paprika, 20 grams of corn flour, just over a teaspoon to help thicken things, along with 20 grams of tomato puree. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then for sweetness, we're going to use 70 grams of chopped up prunes. If you don't have any prunes, you could use dates instead. And then 20 ml of red wine vinegar. If you don't have that, use balsamic. A teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 bay leaf, 100 ml of water, and then all you're going to do is stir all of that so it's nicely combined. I suggest cooking on medium for 4 hours, but you could cook it on low for longer if that works for you. And also at this point in the video, it'd be fantastic if you could just hit that like button. It really does help support the channel. And then just at the end of cooking, you can add 50 grams of black olives. If you don't like olives, that's totally fine. You can easily leave them out, but I like the contrast between the olives and the sweetness of the prunes. But that is it, my friends. Absolutely delicious. And as always, make sure to garnish with something green. Get stuck in and enjoy. So that is slow cooker Spanish chicken. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to hear how you get on with this recipe. So drop a comment below and let me know what you think of it once you've made it. And if you are a new viewer or you've not had a chance yet, make sure to click the subscribe button, because then you're notified as soon as I post a high protein recipe video. And I'm doing so about twice a week, usually on a Monday and Thursday. So if you click subscribe, you'll get notified as soon as a new video goes live. And yeah, that's it from me. Thanks again for watching. I'm going to try this, and I'll speak to you later.